You can still see the tire tracks here where the cattle rustler pulled up to this entrance. Oh, 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 oh my God. He came after me.
What's it going to be like on YouTube,
Oh
Katie?
my God. That is the first time that I have been attacked by a rooster.